The Victoria High School Alumni Association installed a plaque in memory of the 54th Mayor of New Amsterdam, the late Eustace Augustus Wilson. Details in this report. The Victoria High School Alumni Association, today August 4, 2023, officially installed a plaque at the New Amsterdam Town Hall in honor of the dedicated service of the town's 54th Mayor, Mr. Eustace Augustus Wilson, who served in the capacity of Deputy Mayor from 1966 to 1968 and Mayor from 1968 to 1970. The current Mayor, Mr. Wainwright McIntosh, made these brief remarks during the official program.
This afternoon, as we reflect and celebrate the depth and wealth of contributions in education and other civic contributions of E.A. Wilson, these contributions undoubtedly have shaped the educational landscape of citizens of New Amsterdam and New Amsterdam as a whole. May we all be inspired by his contributions. As an individual, I am deeply inspired. As an educator and one in public life, I am inspired to emulate many of E.A. Wilson's founding principles.
The president of the Victoria High School Alumni Association made these brief remarks.
The plaque is a fitting memorial to this illustrious Guyanese who served with excellence in an area of education, community development, and public service. Finally, I am profoundly grateful to members of the Victoria High School Alumni Association, former students of VHS, the New Amsterdam Town Council for your support and lauded project.
The brief program was punctuated by a rendition by the Kafona Band. Dr. Conrad Wilson, son of the late Eustace Wilson, extended appreciation to the Victoria High School alumni for this gesture.
Now, I would like at this point to conclude by saying how much the family appreciates what you're doing.
The plaque was dedicated and installed by Devon Galley.
I, Devon Galley, acting town clerk of the municipality of New Amsterdam, hereby dedicate and install the Ionic educator, founder and principal of the Victoria High School, Mr. Eustace Augustus Wilson. Thank you.
Mr. Eustace Augustus Wilson was a distinguished educator, founder and principal of the Victoria High School. Narima Ali, Channel 8 News.